Hi there. Welcome to Module 1 of our in-depth training series on home equity lines of credit, often called a HELOC. In this first module, we're going far beyond the basics. We're diving straight into what a HELOC really is, why it matters, and how you can turn your home's equity into a strategic financial advantage, whether you're a homeowner looking to make a smart move or a banker wanting to offer high-value solutions. Think of your home not simply as a place to live, but as a treasure chest of equity waiting to be unlocked. Over time, as you build value in your property, you have resources that are often underused. A HELOC is the key to converting that latent value into flexible, powerful credit. In other words, your home becomes productive. You turn just staying into strategically leveraging. So, what is a HELOC? A home equity line of credit gives you a revolving credit line secured by your home's equity. Instead of taking a one-time lump sum, like a home equity loan, you draw what you need, when you need it, up to your approval limit. This means you pay interest only on what you use. You get flexibility. You can reuse the credit as you pay down. We'll explore features like draw periods, payback periods, variable interest rates versus fixed, and how banks underwrite these products. If you're a homeowner, you can access often lower interest rates compared to other financing because your home is collateral and lenders see less risk. You gain incredible flexibility, pay for home improvements, consolidate higher interest debt, cover major life expenses, or invest in your opportunity. Potential tax advantages: always check with a tax advisor, but home equity interest may be deductible in certain situations. So it's not just borrowing against your home, it's about leveraging your asset cleverly. And if you're watching as a banker or financial advisor, offering a HELOC does more than a checkbox. It lets you deepen customer relationships by providing value-added solutions, opens additional revenue streams via interest, fees, cross-sell opportunities, bolsters your institution's positioning as a trusted partner in customers' financial lives. So it's a win-win. Homeowners benefit, and so does the banks. And this is just the beginning. In Module 2, we'll dig even deeper detailed features of HELOCs, advanced strategies for homeowners, and smart cross-selling tactics for banks to ensure clients harness the full potential of this product while your institution maximizes value. Thank you so much for joining us today for Module 1. Your understanding of home equity lines of credit is off to a strong start, and I can't wait to see you in Module 2 when the excitement continues. Remember, your home's potential is greater than you think. Keep unlocking possibilities, and we'll see you next time.